What do you like to do?
I like to paint.
Who is your roommate?
My roommate is John.
When will you finish?
I will finish by 5 p.m.
How do you make coffee?
I use a coffee machine.
Which cake do you want?
I want the chocolate cake.
Whose idea was it to go there?
It was Maria's idea.
Where did you find that book?
I found it at the library.
Why are you angry?
I'm angry because someone took my seat.
Whom are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about my friend. May I sit here?
Sure, please do.
May I use the restroom?
Yes, it's down the hall.
May I bring my dog?
Sorry, it's not allowed.
May I leave early?
Yes, if you finish tasks.
May I have a moment of your time?
Sure, what's up?
May I have some water?
Certainly.
May I smoke here?
Sorry, it's not allowed.
May I use your laptop?
Sorry, I'm using it right now.
May I ask you a question?
Sure, shoot.
How do you start your morning?
I drink tea and plan my day.
What do you do in the evenings?
I read in the evening.
Why is teamwork important?
It teaches cooperation and patience.
What makes your favorite food special?
It's cooked by my mother.
What do you like about weekends?
I like to relax during weekends.
When was the last time you helped someone?
I helped a friend yesterday.
Where did you spend your last vacation?
I went to the mountains with family.
Why do you think exercise is important?
It keeps both mind and body healthy.
How do you keep yourself motivated?
I think positively.